You know, one day my son dropped a truth bomb on me. He said, "Mama, no matter what I do, someone else is always better in your eyes." और इसीलिए
दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो दुख होता है, लेकिन दोस्त फर्स्ट आ जाए तो ज्यादा दुख होता है.
You know, some kids fear failure, but Indian kids, they fear. Every colony had one Sharma ji ka beta. He studied like a scientist, played cricket like Kohli, played guitar like Ranbir Kapoor, and still had time to say, "Namaste auntie, pani laun kya?" Rahul, Sharma ji ka beta, he doesn't live in your house, but sadly, he lives full time in your child's brain, rent free. You know, one day my son dropped a truth bomb on me. He said, "Mama, no matter what I do, someone else is always better in your eyes." That hit hard. Not like खाने में क्या बनाना है आज type confusion. It was a heart freeze, and I'm a brain coach. I train parents, but that day my son trained me. I stopped, I hugged him and said, "Beta, you don't have to be better than anyone. You just have to be you." That hug rebooted not just his mood, it rebooted my brain too. Sometimes, my friend, the most powerful parenting tool is not your mouth, it's just your arms. Now imagine this, your child comes back home. They tried, they studied, they even sweated in the PT period, and they come looking for a smile, a hug, a little "well done beta." But instead we say, "कितने मार्क्स आए?" और शर्मा जी के राहुल के कितने आए? और इसीलिए
दोस्त फेल हो जाए तो दुख होता है, लेकिन दोस्त फर्स्ट आ जाए तो ज्यादा दुख होता है.
type yes if you have seen that movie Three Idiots. Let me tell you one thing, my friend. That question, it's not just comparison. It's like saying you are okay, but someone else is better. Now your child starts thinking, am I enough? Does mama only love me when I win? Do I have to beat Rahul to be seen? Poor kid. He didn't just give one exam at school. Another one started at home. Welcome to the Sharma Olympics. And the gold medal, Rahul already took it. Even if your child scores 90 and you ask, और उसने 95 कैसे लाए यार? Your words are like mirror. But this mirror, it doesn't show their strength. It shows someone else's face. You know, some kids fear failure, but Indian kids, they fear that one talented boy in every family tree. Let's admit it, parents. We grew up in comparison culture. Every colony had one Sharma ji ka beta. He studied like a scientist, played cricket like Kohli, played guitar like Ranbir Kapoor, and still had time to say, "Namaste auntie, pani laun kya?" And we were trying to learn from Shaktiman.
ठहरो, बिजली से खेल रहे हो?
सॉरी शक्तिमान.
Write agree in the comments if you agree with this. But here is the twist. Even Sharma ji ka Rahul was probably being compared to someone else. Because comparison, it's like ghee in Indian kitchens everywhere, even where it's not needed. Now we parents say, let's see who finishes food faster, bhaiya or you. Sibling versus sibling. We have made our home a mini cricket match. But siblings are not opponents. They are supposed to be best companions, a team. Comment by writing true if you are with me. Let's rewind a bit. Your child comes home. You ask, "How was your day, beta?" And he says, "Fine." One word, like CEO giving a press release. And you are sitting there thinking, "Hello, I gave birth to you. I deserve at least 2 sentences." Now watch this brain science magic. When you try to help them study, suddenly you turn into Kiran Bedi with a red pen. You compare, you correct, you coach. And what does your child do? They go into full airplane mode. No signal, no talking, no eye contact. Bas, network chala gaya. And you sit there thinking, why is my child not listening to me? Why is he switching off like this? By the way, if you also ask this question at home, I have made a small quick video just for you. Go watch it after this one. And yes, subscribe if you believe in brain science, not just scolding science. Now let's come back. Why does your child go into airplane mode? Because their brain is not silent, it's screaming inside. Alert, alert, judgment coming, stress mode on. And when the brain is stressed, dopamine, oxytocin, the learning hormones get blocked. And when the brain feels safe, yay! Magic chemicals start the party. But when compared, tadank, cortisol flood, learning off, emotions frozen. So next time your child zones out, don't ask why are you so lazy? Ask what just stressed their brain. Now let's go to the most important room of the house. Arey nahi bhai nahi, not the kitchen. The parenting rewriting room. Time to change the script now. Time to stop that old Doordarshan cassette, Sharma ji ka beta, or why can't you be like this? Look, parenting is already like solving Rubik's Cube, blindfolded, one hand, power cut. Don't make it harder with toxic lines. Because every word you say becomes your child's inner voice. Instead of Sharma ji ka beta did better than you, say, I saw you try. You make me proud. Instead of why can't you be like your sister, say, I love how different you both are. That's your superpower. Believe me, this works. This works better than Cadbury celebration on Rakhi for sibling love. Because the moment your language shifts, your child's brain shifts. It shifts from I am not enough to I am growing every day. That, my friend, is not just parenting. This is a brain coaching at home. And this is magic. Your child will look at you and say, Arey mama, you are the magician. A quick reminder, dear parent, your child is not a walking report card. They are not 93.5%. They are not ranked 2 of 60. They are a soft heart, a growing brain, a full story in progress. Brains don't bloom in pressure, they bloom in feelings. Next time when you realize you are comparing, just remember, even Wi-Fi works better when it's connected, not when it's stressed. Same with your child. Give them safety, not shame. Give connection, not comparison. And magic will happen. Like slow cooker biryani, takes time, but worth it. And hey, if your child struggles with focus, confidence, and brain stress, that's where we step in with cognitive training. Our contact details are given below. We don't scold, we coach. We don't compare, we connect. Let's raise kids who learn with joy, not with jhatka.
Competition over.
Share this with your friends. Let's bring peace back into parenting and confidence back into our kids' life. Thank you.